Hello students. In this video, we are going to explore the exciting world of adjectives. Let's learn together. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. It tells us more about a thing's size, shape, color, or other qualities. For example, big, small, or colorful. Now let's look into some examples of adjectives. The food smells good. Here, good describes the food and tells us how it smells. My friend is happy. Here, happy describes my friend and tells us how she feels. It is a short-term course. Here, short describes the course and tells us how long it is. Now it's your turn to answer. Identify the adjective. Shelley is happy. Share your answers in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class KG is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.